I'm Dr. Ashoojit Kaur Anand. I'm a palliative care specialist and I run this program called Aveksha, which is a home-based primary care. And my clinical based practice is at PCMH Restore Health at Sheshadipuram. I'm passionate about improving quality of life of people who are suffering because of an illness. It could be a short-time illness, it could be a long-term illness too. I have been asked as to what is end of life. I do understand that a lot of people do struggle to find meaning as to what is end of life. What is end of life care is what we say in palliative care. We as palliative care specialists are also taking care of end of life care. That means we all have to go away from this world, but we all need to go in a dignified manner, which means that we don't have to suffer while we leave this world. We came to this world, we lived a good life, and now when it is time to go, every person should go in a dignified manner. That means should not be suffering. So end of life is taking care of a person when a person is approaching that gate of the end of life. And it does not mean that you just leave the person. It has to be taken, the person who is leaving this world has to be taken care as a baby who's newborn baby who has come into this world. So the care is the same. You need to take care of his general hygiene, giving him a bath, giving him a sponge bath, and taking care of his comfort, providing a soft bed, covering him up so that he's not cold or he's not feeling too warm in it, and looking after his nutrition, whether he can swallow or if he is not able to swallow food, then the juice can be given or the water to be given. All this is taking care which is called the end of life care. And this we all need to go through. We all will go through the end of life, but we need to know that every person has to have a dignified death when they are leaving this world. And that's about the palliative care.